how to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method that will allow you to make from $200 to $2,000 per month just from using Google Maps, and you will not even need any skill or any capital to start with. So basically guys, the idea is that we're going to find business or local business owners in the United States, and preferably small business owners that will have a lot of problems, such as renovating their website, or not even having a website, or having bad reviews in their Google Maps profile. And we will offer them the services of creating the website or removing the bad reviews for them. And you will not even need to know how to do that. You will just find the business owner, close them, get paid, then go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform that you'd like to work with. Then you will search for the freelancers that can do those services or can offer those services. And so for example, if you get paid $100 from the business owner, you'll just come to freelancer.fiverr.com, and here you can find freelancers that are willing to do the job for less amount of money. For example, this one, $25 to remove the bad reviews in Google Maps. So you will get to save $75 to your pocket without even doing any work. So here I'm going to show you how you can find those businesses and how you can pitch them step by step. So make sure to follow and to watch until the end of the video. So here, let's go to the United States, which is the best market that we can work on. And here, let's choose a state. For example, let's go with Missouri. And here, zoom out, zoom in, then go to the search and type the kind of business that you want to work with. For example, let's say gym owners. Here, let's just type gym, and let's see all of the available gyms in here. So here we have Ultimate Fitness, and they don't have a website, I guess. So here, let's click on their profile to see if they have a website or not. So here, they have 31 reviews and 4.7 stars. That's a good sign. We don't want to go for the businesses that has more than 100 reviews. So here they don't have a website, so that's something we can offer them. And let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews that they will want to remove. And this is the first bad review. Lots of equipment, very dusty around some machines. So this is a bad review that they will want to remove. So this is the first one. Let's go for more reviews to see if we can find any other bad reviews. And here, scroll down. So I think that's the only another 1-star review, but without any comments. So we will just use the first one, and we will make sure to mention it several times in order to convince them to purchase our service. So this is for the first business, and after we get them on buying our first service, which is removing bad reviews, then we will suggest to create a website for them and how it will help them make things easier for them and for the clients as well. And after we get done with the first business, then we move on to the second one, and this one has less than 100 reviews as well, 41 reviews. And here they don't have a website as well. So that's a service that we're going to offer them. Let's see if we can find some bad reviews. So this one, Ultimate Fitness Business, we can give them two services. That means we will get paid more than $200 for the website and for removing the bad reviews. And also you can offer to the service of ranking them in the Google Maps. So here let's search for the bad reviews in this business profile as well. Temperature was a little warm, could have been colder. Here let's scroll down to see if we can find a 1-star review. This is a 1-star review and it just adds some emojis. May we ask why you are unhappy with our facilities? So this is a bad review that they would like to remove, even though it doesn't have a lot of context. But a bad review is a bad review. It's bad for the image of the business. So that's something we can use. Another one, poor customer service. And I'm sorry you feel this way. I gave you $10 credit towards any bottle of our in-stock lotion that makes the cheaper bottle from Walmart that we do not allow to be used in our beds. Mine. Not stealing it, but purchased from you. You never once seemed unhappy or complained till after you left. Again, I'm really sorry you feel this way. I did nothing wrong to be slandered like this. Please stop. So this is another bad review that they will want to remove badly. So that's all the problems that we can solve for this business. We can offer them to remove these bad reviews, and we can offer them also to make a website for them. Let's see if we can find another bad review. I think that's all they have. That's all the bad reviews that they have, but that's enough. If you just have 2 bad reviews, it's enough to destroy your reputation in the market. So here then you move on to the second and the third, the fourth, and you multiply the method on the other businesses. And when you're done with the gyms, then you move on to the plumbers, hairstylists, and also the auto repairing industry. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.